Today, we're diving into Warren Buffett's latest play, his Japanese stock purchases. The Oracle of Omaha just dropped a bombshell in his 2025 shareholder letter, hinting that Berkshire Hathaway's ownership in 5 Japanese giants, Itochu, Marubeni, Mitsubishi, Mitsui, and Sumitomo is about to grow even more. Why Japan? What's the strategy? Hit that like button, and let's unpack this genius move. Rewind to 2020, Buffett shocked the world by snapping up 5% stakes in these 5 Japanese trading houses, a $6 billion bet. Fast forward to 2025, and Berkshire's now sitting on over 8.5% ownership across the board, with unrealized gains of $8 billion by late 2023. In his latest letter, Buffett said, "Over time, you'll likely see Berkshire's ownership of all 5 increase somewhat." That's a signal, folks. He's doubling down on Japan. So, who are these companies? They're Japan's Sogo Shosha, massive trading conglomerates that touch everything from energy to food to tech. Mitsubishi's got 19,000 Lawson convenience stores, Mitsui's in LNG and 7-Eleven logistics, Itochu's big in textiles and consumer goods. These aren't just Japanese plays, they're global powerhouses, and Buffett loves their diversified cash flows, just like his own Berkshire Hathaway. Here's the kicker, Japan's stock market is red hot. The Nikkei's up nearly 15% since late 2024, fueled by a weak yen and corporate governance reforms. But get this, Mitsubishi's down 26% in the last year, Mitsui's off 16%, yet Buffett's still buying. Why? He sees value where others see volatility. These firms trade at low price-to-book ratios, around 1, making them screaming bargains compared to US equities. Now, let's talk strategy. Buffett's funding this with yen bonds, a brilliant carry trade move. Borrow cheap in Japan, invest in high-return stocks, and pocket the difference. It's a masterclass in capital efficiency. Analysts say Berkshire's stakes could climb past the 10% cap the company's just loosened for him. That's a $19 billion position already and growing. Buffett's not just investing, he's building partnerships. He told CNBC, "They can call us anytime." His successor, Greg Abel, is already eyeing deals with these firms. Think joint ventures in EVs, hydrogen, or renewables. This isn't a short-term flip, it's a 10 to 20-year play on Japan's economic resurgence. So, should you follow Buffett? These Japanese stocks are volatile but undervalued. High risk, high reward. I'm watching Mitsubishi for its global reach and Itochu for consumer growth. Full tickers in the description. That's Warren Buffett's Japanese stock playbook for 2025 value, vision, and a whole lot of yen. Want more investing secrets? Subscribe now and hit the bell. We're breaking down the market every week. Tell me in the comments, are you buying Japan? See you next time.